In today's guide, we'll show you how to easily withdraw money from FanDuel to your Chime account. Let's dive in. First, you need to check if your FanDuel account is eligible for withdrawals. Let's take a look at the options available. Now, let's link your Chime account to FanDuel. Follow these simple steps to connect your accounts. Next, we'll go through the withdrawal process on FanDuel step by step. It's straightforward and user-friendly. When prompted to choose your withdrawal method, select Chime to ensure quick access to your funds. You might be wondering how long it will take for your withdrawal to process. Usually, it takes a few business days. If you encounter any problems during the withdrawal, we'll cover some common issues and how to resolve them. To ensure your withdrawals go as smoothly as possible, here are some helpful tips you should follow. To recap, withdrawing money from FanDuel to Chime is a simple process. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative guides. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.